My name is Taxiarchis Panagos. I came from Athens, Greece. I'm the CEO of company PROTERIMA, which is energy in the energy sector. We are energy consultants, and we are in the public and the private sector as well in Greece. So what we do is we advise actually our clients to do projects that they can save energy.
How did you like our factory and what impressed you?
Well, yesterday, thanks to Anton, we've been there. I was really amazed by all the vertical production that you established here. I mean, you are producing everything regarding to the luminaries, the lighting. So you produce the body, all the reflectors, the drivers, everything. So I was really amazed of the vertical production of your company. It's good to know that we might cooperate with someone like you. So we're hoping that we're doing business together.
Is it your first visit to?
Yes, it's my first visit here. I'm really glad that I had the opportunity after your invitation to come here and see your facilities and so many good things about the Moscow, like the Red Square. I've been yesterday and the Kremlin and all that stuff. Really glad to be here. Thank you for